Welcome to Master List, and today we are going to have a look at the top 5 technologies that will go mainstream in the new contactless world. Some of these technologies have been gradually trying to make their presence felt for the past few years, but haven't really caught up. But looking at the current situation, it looks more likely they will become the real deal quite soon. By the end of this video, you will know what technologies you should be prepared for in a contactless world. So let's get started right now. Number 5. Delivery drones. With people strictly avoiding human contact all over the world, contactless delivery has really stepped up to serve people's online shopping needs. Delivery persons are being strictly instructed to leave packages outside the door with minimum contact with the purchaser. What better time than now for delivery drones to really get into the scene? In fact, Amazon has been testing this technology for years and are now on the point of refining it for normal and reliable operation. In their latest conference, they claimed that their drone was now capable of spotting obstacles such as people and animals as well as clothesline. Because, of course, you would not want your drone to get all tangled up in everyone's pajama, would you? Named as Amazon Prime Air, these electric-powered drones will be able to travel 15 miles and can carry packages up to 2 kgs in weight. In the ongoing situation, this technology has been gaining real steam, and Amazon has just recently announced that they are ready to implement this within months. Just don't be scared when you hear the buzzing coming from above your house. Number 4. Augmented Reality. VR or virtual reality has already penetrated the entertainment industry in the last few years with PlayStation VR and the Oculus Rift changing the way games or movies are experienced. But augmented reality, which was launched a few years back, has not really been able to move out of a few gimmickly mobile phone tricks. But that will change very soon. For example, it can be used in shopping malls and clothing stores where you choose to try out clothes before purchasing them. People are now going to be much more cautious about trying out things that other people have touched or worn previously. With AR, all clothing trials can be taken care of virtually. What if you could just stand in front of a mirror and swipe through the collections in store and see how they would look on you? Would not that help you make a smarter purchase without really touching the product? There is immense scope with what can be accomplished with augmented reality. Number 3. Voice assistants. We touch a lot of stuff every day, not just in our home but also in the outside world. We touch the ATM machine, the soda vending machine, the subway ticket machine. These are stuff that hundreds of people touch every day. How would you ever know how much of it is actually safe? This is the right time for voice assistants to spread their reach and cover more ground outside of our phones and our smart homes. These vending machines or ATM machines could soon be integrated with voice assistants, eliminating the need for any sort of human contact. Merge them with the mobile payments and you can get your job done without touching anything at all. Number 2. Humanoid Robots. Alright, we are not talking about the Terminator sort of scenario that you're imagining right now. We are talking about the more friendly, playful humanoid robots that can soon help you out with household chores. You should not be surprised to see them soon taking on roles of maids or babysitters. You could also find them in receptions of corporate offices and hotels and inquiry desks at stations or malls. Although this will be a huge step forward and the transition will not be abrupt, but this will happen eventually and especially now at a much faster pace than was expected because robots cannot carry viruses. Not the ones that infect humans at least. No guarantees about computer viruses though. Number 1. Digital wallets and contactless mobile payments. Cash money is a huge carrier of diseases due to the fact that it travels a lot and is handled by hundreds of people before it ends up in your hands and then goes on its journey again, carrying germs and diseases easily from one person to another. Digital payment services have been around for a long time now in the form of credit cards or debit cards, but even they don't guarantee a completely contactless transaction. Mobile wallets and mobile payments like Tap to Pay can greatly bridge this gap. Mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Wallet have already made this feature available, and now is the right time for them to go mainstream. So, are you prepared for these technologies becoming a part of your lives in the near future? How do you think they will change our lives? Let us know in the comments below. If you have liked this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. This is Master List. See you in the next one.